Ever opened your car door, heard a strange noise, and thought, that sounds expensive?
Yeah, me too.
Cars are amazing, but they can be super confusing.
But don't worry. Today, we are going to a car mechanic workshop. We will learn the English words for car parts. We will learn how to talk to a mechanic.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a fun topic. We are talking about cars and mechanics. Cars are a big part of life, right? We all use them. But the language of cars is special. It has its own vocabulary. Exactly. My name is Paul, and with me as always is my friend David. Hey David, ready to talk about cars?
I am ready. But I have to be honest, I am not a good mechanic.
Me neither. That is why we go to a mechanic, right? Now, let's imagine a real situation. You are at the mechanic. How do you speak to them? What do you say? Let's do a little role play. Okay, you be the mechanic.
David, I will be the customer.
Sounds good. Let's do it. Hello, sir. Welcome to the workshop. What seems to be the problem?
Hi there, thanks for seeing me. My car is making a strange noise.
A strange noise? Can you describe it?
Yes, it's a kind of squeaking noise. It happens when I use the brakes.
Okay, a squeaking noise when you brake. That is probably the brake pads.
Brake pads? Are they expensive to fix?
It depends on the car. I will take a look. Can you leave the car with me for an hour?
Sure, no problem. How much will it cost for the checkup?
The inspection is free if you do the repair with us.
Oh, great. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I will call you when it's ready.
Perfect. See you soon.
See you later. Excellent. Let's try another situation. This time, a more serious problem.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Hello. Thanks for coming so quickly. My car won't start.
Okay, don't worry. Let's check it out. When you turn the key, what happens?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I don't hear the engine turning.
No sound at all. Let me check your battery. Yes, I think I see the problem. Your battery cables are loose.
Loose cables? Is that bad?
It's an easy fix. The cables connect the battery to the car. If they are loose, the power can't flow.
Oh, I see. So it's not a dead battery?
No, the battery looks fine. I just need to tighten these cables.
That is a huge relief. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. All done. Try to start it now.
Vroom, it works. Thank you.
You're welcome. Drive safe.
Very useful. Okay, one more situation. This one is about maintenance. Maintenance means taking care of your car so it doesn't break. Good idea.
Okay, let's go. Hi there, I'm here for my regular service. Ah, excellent. Regular service is very important. What kind of car do you have?
It's a small blue sedan. It's about 3 years old.
Okay, great. We will do an oil change, check the fluids, and rotate the tires.
An oil change? How often should I do that?
Usually every 5,000 miles or so. It keeps the engine healthy.
Okay, that makes sense. And what does rotate the tires mean?
We move the front tires to the back and the back tires to the front. This helps them wear evenly. They last longer.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's smart.
Yes, and we will also top up the windscreen washer fluid.
Top up? What does that mean?
It means we add more. We fill it up to the top.
Ah, I understand. Thank you. How long will it take?
About 2 hours. You can wait in our waiting room. We have coffee.
Perfect. I'll do that. Thanks.
Excellent. In that conversation, we learned about maintenance, oil change, rotate the tires, and top up the fluids. These are all things you do to take care of your car.
Ow. A small question for you. Imagine you are at the mechanic. Your headlight is broken. It doesn't work. What do you say to the mechanic? Think about it for a second. You could say, my headlight isn't working. Or, I have a problem with my headlight. Very simple. Write
our answer in the comments. We would love to read your sentences. Okay, friends, let's look at a small but powerful grammar point. In our dialogues, we used the verb make a lot. We said, My car is making a strange noise. The brakes make a squeaking sound. In English, we use make to talk about producing a sound or a result. Here is a quick tip. For present actions, use is making or are making. The engine is making a clicking sound. The tires are making a lot of noise. For general truths or things that always happen, use makes. My car always makes a noise in the morning. A diesel engine makes a loud sound. So remember, is making for right now and makes for always. Practice this at home. Look at your car or your friend's car. We hope this
Video helps you feel more confident. If you liked this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. Click the bell icon so you don't miss a new video. Do you have a car? What is your dream car? Tell us in the
comments below.